Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 11th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. It was a pretty crazy day once again. Pretty wild swing from high to low for all the U.S. indexes, but they did put in their worst week over the past 2 years. No doubt about it, both the Dow and the S&P losing over 5% on the week. But there was one positive, and that's where we closed on Friday. The Dow did close higher by 330 points. And if you have a look here, a huge reversal here. We were lower and swung back over 1,000 points to close 330 points higher. So, is this the bottom? Hard to say at this point, but Friday's close was certainly a positive here. The S&P 500 gained 38 points. Again, have a look at that long wick on Friday's candle. A huge reversal. The Nasdaq finished higher by 97 points. Again, a big reversal, while the Russell closed higher by 14 and also put in a massive reversal. So, and we'll come back in a minute here and look at the weekly charts to assess the damage from the past couple of weeks. But overall, a positive day for equities. Just about everything else sold off. TLT was down 75 cents. Gold was down 90 cents. And crude continues to sell off. It was down huge, down a little over 3%. And was actually down lower earlier in the session. The U.S. dollar did continue to bounce, albeit slightly. There. Now, let's go back and look at those weekly charts, starting with the Dow. And there it is. Really, we're just back to that 20-period moving average here. So, as you can see, we were lower in the week, but made it back and closed right around there. It was another heavy volume week, that is. The S&P 500 looks very similar. And although we closed slightly below that moving average, it's still a nice orderly retracement here. If we can turn around here and continue to build on Friday's reversal, we could easily find ourselves at new highs here very shortly. There's the Nasdaq, again, back to that 20-period moving average. And the Russell's the only one that really has sold off a little harder than others, but again, did close well off their lows here last week. TLT on the weekly, not looking so good, approaching a significant support level here. So hopefully we'll get a bounce soon, right around 117 here. If you look at gold, gold looks like we could be in for a bit more selling here before we start making our way higher again. And crude on a weekly, again, looks pretty good, actually. We still have some upward momentum there. So overall, as sharp as this pullback was, it was very healthy for the market. And hopefully this will be it. Now, week coming up, more earnings announcements, of course, along with several economic data reports. Tuesday, we get the Red Book. Wednesday, MBA Mortgage Apps, Consumer Price Index, Retail Sales and Business Inventories. Thursday, we get jobless claims, PPI, Housing Market Index, and money supply. And Friday, housing starts, consumer sentiment, and the Baker Hughes rig count. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.